welcome to a Pack With Me for College vlog. I am leaving in 2 days. This lipstick looks suit me. भाई मुझसे नहीं होगा. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So the thing is, I am moving out in literally 3 days और ये बात मुझको आज पता चला है. I am so stressed right now, like it's literally not clocking to me that I am leaving in 3 days. And I'll tell you why this happened. ठीक है, तो basically मेरा plan ये था that I was gonna go to Bangalore a week prior of my hostel boarding date, क्योंकि it is not possible for me कि मैं अपना पूरा सामान उठा के एक ही टाइम पे travel करूँ. So I had decided I'm gonna take whatever I can from here and whatever I can find there मैं वो वहीं पे खरीद लूँगी. ठीक, that was my original plan, but I did not expect that I would have to go this early. So I am leaving in 2 days. आज का आधा दिन छोड़ के actually. Yeah, so I am leaving in 2.5 days and I have only 2.5 days to pack for college. And I haven't started with anything. Like मेरा progress literally zero है. Okay. First part is, to be very honest, that I am not able to feel the vibes कि मैं जा रही हूँ, that I'm leaving this place. Like I have grown up here. I have grown up in Goa. I have stayed in Goa for such a long time, and it is not clocking to me that I am leaving right now. But I guess we will have to start somewhere, and I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. So that's gonna be one good thing. That is literally gonna be motivating me to pack right now क्योंकि भाई मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. Guys, this is my college packing outfit. I don't know अगर तुम लोगों को दिख रहा है, but I have just put on this लंबा सा dress because it's comfortable and I have to fit my entire wardrobe into a suitcase. Literally wardrobe में ऐसे सारे कपड़े घुसा के रखे हैं कि ओ मैं तो जाने वाली हूँ. Why do I keep it nicely? We are gonna do it. We will do it. I have put my hair up in a bun now, so you know it is serious, okay? भाई मेरे बाल झाड़ू जैसे क्यों लग रहे हैं? What is this even? But I don't have time to worry about that. I need to start packing. Guys, this is the state of my wardrobe right now. Guys, update. I am back from having dinner with my best friend and I completely forgot that I was filming because तुम्हें पता है how it gets when you're with a best friend. I'm almost done with my कपड़ों वाला packing. It's around 11:15, but मैं सोच रही थी कि I will pack my skincare, makeup and all of that before I sleep क्योंकि it will just make things easier for me. This is the situation of my desk right now. Can you see how sleepy my eyes look right now? Like I have literally been surviving on very less sleep these days, but I am extremely tired. If you cannot see from my face right now, I haven't even done my skincare, and there's one thing, if I don't get enough sleep, my skin really starts breaking out and stuff. So I really don't know if I should like sleep or clean, because I also need a lot of energy, like think of what things I want to keep and what things I want to throw away. So I think I'm just gonna clean it up and sleep. I'm supposed to be at the dry cleaning store to drop some of my clothes, but somebody is stopping me from doing so. Meet that somebody. It's so cute. I'm leaving. I got the bag, I got the keys, and the rain has stopped, so we're gonna go. So now I'm finally going to be packing my makeup, skincare and accessories bag, and this is what I'm taking. I think this is actually too small, so I'll see if I need another one, but for now we're trying to try and fit everything in this. Guys, does this lipstick like suit me? I'm not sure about it. Like I really want to take it because it's one of my favorite shades. I think I'm gonna take it. Packed my makeup, accessories and skincare. Guys, I came out to buy this one medicine or like powder which I only find in one store, and that store is closed. I'm so mad right now because I came all the way over here wearing this huge ass helmet and a raincoat in the rains, and now I don't even get it. But it's okay because I also got some documents. I also have to pick my clothes up from ironing and dry cleaning. I think it has to be done until now. My cookies. I love these. Like, you find them at this local bakery near my house, and I love this shit so much. I'm gonna miss these things so much now that I think of it. But I need to go pick my clothes now, and I'm actually running very late. I went to the dry cleaning store and they were like, आपका कपड़ा 7 बजे आएगा, वो बंदा लेने गया है. So I was like, ठीक है, अब मैं क्या ही कर सकती हूँ. And it's around 6:15 I guess. So I figured out कि I have 45 minutes to kill. So I came to this nearby park that I used to come to. I don't know if you can see it, but ये park मेरे घर के पास था, and I used to come here a lot पहले. But फिर हमें बहुत बोर हो गया यहाँ पे आके, so I just stopped coming here. But I still have a few very good memories over here. So I just came. I came to yet another spot that I used to go to, and you know what, it's not even raining. I don't want to jinx it, but I just feel like the universe knew that she has not gone anywhere and she's been rotting in her home packing all day. तो इस पे मैं थोड़ी दया कर देता हूँ और बारिश रोक देता हूँ, so that she can go out and like go to visit all the places that she used to really go to a lot at some point when she was living over here. So yeah, it's not like I'm never gonna be able to come back over here, but then I still feel like I always wanted to move out, and now that I'm finally I am gonna miss this place. Like, I'm gonna miss not being able to come here the second I want to come here. Like before it was just 5 minutes away, now it's gonna be hours away. So it is a huge change, and I'm glad I'm doing this alone. Like, somehow this has turned into a whole solo date thing where I'm just taking myself to the places that I used to go to at some point when I was living over here, and I don't know, feeling blessed about life, I guess. I'm very grateful, and I'm glad I'm getting to share this moment with you guys because I love you so much, and I'm grateful for you guys as well. So yeah.